Number 1. GoPro HERO 12. If you've ever felt like your epic adventures deserve more than just an average camera, the GoPro HERO 12 is here to make you look like a pro. This beast of a camera isn't just another gadget, it's your ultimate adventure buddy. Whether you're carving through mountain trails, catching the perfect wave, or just chasing adrenaline, the HERO 12 captures it all in stunning 5.3K video. Yeah, that's 91% sharper than 4K, which means every shot looks like it belongs on the big screen. And don't even get me started on the photos. 27 megapixels of jaw-dropping clarity. Plus, thanks to GoPro's incredible HDR, those tricky shadow and sun moments are no match. Every detail stands out, making your shots more vibrant and lifelike. But the real kicker? This beast is tough. Waterproof down to 33 feet, it can handle mud, snow, rain, or whatever chaos your adventure throws at it. And with the Emmy Award-winning HyperSmooth 6.0 Stabilization, even your wildest rides will look silky smooth. No shaky footage or blurred shots here, just pure epicness. On top of all that, it comes with a water-repelling lens cover to keep your shots free from annoying flares or reflections. With this camera, you'll get an Enduro rechargeable battery, a curved adhesive mount, and a USB-C cable. Every adventure deserves an exceptional camera, and that's exactly what the GoPro HERO 12 delivers.